Hey kiddos, you just watched some videos about adjectives, and now you're going to use those adjectives and make a word cloud or word art for your teacher for Teacher Appreciation Week next week. Here's an example of what a word cloud or word art can look like. Um, if you're choosing to make it into a shape, we call it word art. It used to just when they first started making them, they were always just in a cloud shape. So now it's more specific to say word art. But it is a piece of art or a shape filled with words. And so in this one, it's made about mom, and the words to describe mom were kind, funny, talented, and baker. And so then I will show you how to make one for your teacher. On the classroom, you'll see the link that says wordart.com. I'm going to click there. When you first get to wordart.com, you will need to sign up. Okay, the blue button at the top. It looked a little different for me because I have had an account before. You'll use this red button that says sign up using Google. It will ask you to click your name like other times when we've signed in using Google, and then it will have two check boxes. You will check the first one, leave the second checkbox without anything on it, and then click. And then you should see an option to create. Sorry, I couldn't show you that last part, but because I already have my account, it doesn't show that to me anymore. I'm going to click plus and create. This page is set up in two sections. Over on the right-hand side is where we will eventually see our art. Over on the left-hand side is where we will put our words and make our choices about what we want it to look like. The first thing I'm going to do is take my mouse up here and write the name of my teacher that I am making this for, Mrs. Fernholz. Okay. Now, over here where it says words, don't type in the teal part. Those are labels. You're going to take your mouse. We'll get rid of word. And the first box for everybody should be your teacher's name, Mrs. Fernholz. And then you can press enter to get to the next box, or you can use your mouse to get to the next box. I've got a couple words on there now. Okay, now we have, I would say, try and get 4 or 5 descriptive words at least because it makes it more interesting in the art. There are many, many ways to customize these. One way is to set a color for the Mrs. Fernholz. So I clicked under color on the Mrs. Fernholz line, and let's say I know she likes kind of purple. I'll click the shade of purple that I like. I'll see which one I picked right here. And if I like it, I can click apply. And then anywhere that Mrs. Fernholz is in our artwork, it'll be that dark purple. And maybe I want to make it so it looks different, a different font as well. So I'm going to choose Alex Brush Regular. So anywhere Mrs. Fernholz is in my artwork, it'll be purple with Alex Brush Regular. Okay, let's pick a shape. Okay, I am going to pick a shape that has a couple different colors on it. So I'll just pick this one. I see it easily. I'm going to click on the green cog to do some settings. When I do that, it says I can customize. So maybe I don't want dark pink and light lavender. Maybe I would like a blue, kind of a bright blue, and maybe I'll leave that light lavender in there. So you can customize. There's some rainbow ones out there that you can customize. So feel free to click that little cog to do that. I'm going to press OK. Then the next thing you can choose is your font. I just got my warning that I am almost out of recording time. So I'm going to click this font. Okay. The last thing is layout. This is how the words will look. Okay. And I like it horizontal, but you can choose to try any of the other ones. I'm going to click the red visualize button. Hopefully the visualization will go really quickly so we get it in before the video stops.